welcome to my channel. If you're like me, you probably spent numerous of hours designing, constructing, and reenacting those detailed virtual lives in The Sims 4. However, these expensive packs can add up, let's face it. I'm going to share with you today on how to use Anadius to get free expansion packs for The Sims 4 on your Mac. I'll be going into a further technique that can make any simmer happy without paying for packs. Therefore, be sure to stay tuned for this tutorial. Now let's get started. Launch the browser of your choice and navigate to the official Anadius website. Go to the Sims 4 section of the website and select Instructions. Next, select the operating system you have. Since I own a Mac, I will select Mac OS. Next, click I have The Sims 4 installed. Then click I have a legit version. After that, select Sims 4 Updater. Scroll down and click Download for Mac. Now scroll all the way down and click Go File. When you reach the Go File website, you want to click the Anadius 2-zip file. It will then be in your Downloads folder. After that, right-click the zip file. Trying to right-click it, I don't know how. Okay guys, I don't know how to right-click, so what I'm going to do is click this circle with the 3 dots. Okay, once you click that, you want to press Open With, and then archive your utility should be selected by default. Okay, now I'm waiting for it to open. I meant to unzip. Okay, once it does that, get the folder open. If you notice a file stating that your app is damaged, right click on it and open it. If you are able to do so, navigate to privacy and security in your settings. Scroll all the way down and choose Open Anyway. Then click Open Anyway. Put your password in. Press Allow. Then click Open and shut the window that appears. Next, select the Anadius tool, which will open the launcher. Press Allow. Okay, so now press Sims 4 Updater. Wait for it to load. Press Allow. Press Allow. The Sims 4 pack should appear in your Browse section if you already have the original Sims game. Click Update. You should now see a screen with all of the DLCs. You don't need to download them all. You can just download the ones you don't have already. You can choose which ones you want. Press OK. After that, you should see a question box appear. Click No, and the file should start downloading. Okay, this is going to take a while, so I'll be back once the files are done. I'm back and it's done downloading. Mine's took an hour to download. So now what you want to do is return to Anadius 2 and click it. And then select one DLC unlocker for The Sims 4. The next step is to decide whether you want to begin offline or online. The gallery is unavailable if you choose to start offline. However, you can access it by selecting Start Online. To proceed, you must log in the EA website and sign in. I'm already signed in. And then you want to go to ea.com/connects. And this page should pop up. So I'm going to inspect element. Okay, now that you're on this page, you want to click accounts and scroll down until you see the Remine. I meant to say Remade. Okay, now this, you want to copy this. And you want to paste it into the box. So you want to paste it into this empty box. After that, you want to click Login. And then a menu will pop up telling you not to close the app, and then you're going to leave this open until you're done playing the game. Do not close this out while you are playing the game. So now when this pops up, you want to open the EA app, and then you're going to press OK when this pops up. And then you want to launch The Sims 4 by clicking the play button, and it's loading.